Christie, and welcome back to All About Food. Today I'm going to teach you how to make chocolate chip cookies. If you're looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Majin Boo Food Services. The link is in the description down below.
For chocolate chip cookies, you need 1½ cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup white sugar, half a cup Muscovado sugar, 1 cup salted butter or margarine, cooking oil for greasing the pan, 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, half a cup chopped nuts, half a teaspoon baking soda, measuring spoon, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 egg. For gift suggestion this holiday season, plastic food container and a ribbon. Mixing bowls, rubber spatula, silicone whisk, fork, spoon or ice cream scooper, wax paper and baking pan. Put 1 cup butter or margarine in a mixing bowl. Butter should be at room temperature or easy to spread. If your butter is not at room temperature, you may heat it through your microwave for 5 to 10 seconds. Add the 1/4 cup white sugar, add the half a cup of Muscovado sugar. White sugar, granulated sugar, or table sugar is the most common type of sugar used in baking and cooking, while Muscovado sugar, dark brown sugar, contains more molasses which gives a stronger and more intense flavor to your food. Add 1 egg, add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. If you want to know more about costing and how much you can sell chocolate chip cookies, please let me know at the comment section below. In a separate bowl, put the 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, add the half a teaspoon of baking soda, add the half a cup of chopped nuts, add the 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, mix it well. Add the batter mixture 1/3 portion at a time. Make sure your cookie batter is well incorporated. Mix it well. This is how your cookie batter looks like. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Form your cookie batter using spoons or ice cream scooper. Put your scoop cookie batter in your baking tray lined with wax paper. For this cookie batter recipe, you can make approximately 14 to 42 cookies. It depends on how small or big cookies. It is totally up to how you like it. Bake your cookies for 12 to 15 minutes. It depends on the size of your cookies. Just set your timer for 10 minutes first. Then, if your cookies are still soft in the center, Bake them again for a few minutes or until the edges are lightly brown. Put it on a cooling rack until the cookies become at room temperature. Our finished product, chocolate chip cookies. Nice to pair with your favorite meal or as a gift this holiday season.
Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.